wow, what an amazing car this is. It really is a very underestimated car. Incredible car. As I say, those who know what this is. Might look very unsuspecting, but this is the Seat Leon Cupra 300. Of course, 300 brake horsepower. Facing this mystery blue metallic. Absolutely gorgeous colour. It really is. You would think it's just a normal Seat Leon. Incredible performance, fantastic to handle. It really is a joy to drive. Great fun. A real competition for the Golf GTI. Let's take you around it. And there we have it, the 300. If you see that badge, don't take it on, because you're going to lose. Incredible boot on it, good sized boot, split folding rear seats. Got the 3-load facility, drop it down, fishing rods, skis, spare wheel just under there, set sound system upgrade. The car's absolutely beautiful all the way around. Full set main dealer service history all the way through. All the wheels in great condition. No damage to those. They really do set the car off nicely. Nice little ladybird there. Bring it a bit of look. Just look at it. Absolutely beautiful all the way down. Again, the front wheels again. No damage to those. All the four wheels are exactly the same. Front and rear parking sensors with the reverse camera too. Black mirrors, folding mirrors too. Look at that interior, isn't it beautiful? Leather Alcantara trim. And you've got this beautiful carbon fibre trim. Cupra embossed. Again, all the seats in the back, all in great condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. All absolutely like brand new inside. Lovely attention to detail with the carbon trim. Leather multifunction sport steering wheel with a paddle shift gear change. And again, the door panels. Got the Alcantara trim. Beautiful feel to that. And again, the carbon trim going across the door trims and the dashboard. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Of course, as I mentioned, the sound system there. Automatic lights. Flat bottom sport steering wheel. Just 20,000 miles, 20668. Nice clear layout. Dual zone climate control. USB aux input. Of course, the DSG gearbox, auto hold, automatic brakes, auto release brakes, Apple CarPlay, mirror link, Android connection, all nice clear screen, all easy to follow through, nice and clear. Satellite navigation. As you can see, all very easy. All the vehicle details. Even got a lap timer. You can get the sound system exactly how you want it. All touchscreen. Get the balance exactly where you want the sound. Again, with a climate control. Bluetooth phone connection. And a great sound system.
I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become.
You'll definitely be happier when you're driving this car. It really does bring a smile to your face. Great handling, great performance. Paddle shift gear change on there. Cruise control. Various radio functions on there. Full menu in front of you. All nice and clear. Folding mirrors. Of course, just get the suspension absolutely perfect for handling. Got the comfort, sport, Cupra, individual. Also got voice activation, just make it a little bit easier to find whatever you want, radio stations, if you want to dial somebody, much safer on that. What a car, it really is a fabulous car to drive. Beautiful example, full set main dealer service history all the way through. Very rare example. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Central armrest with a bit of storage in there. Absolutely outstanding. Nice ambient lighting just under there. Part exchange always a pleasure. You can work out your HP or PCP deals direct off our finance website. Just work out your deposits, your low monthly payments, apply direct off the website. You can click and collect this vehicle direct from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask for full details. And we do the videos to show exactly how nice all our cars are. Nothing is left to chance, giving you the confidence to buy this car unseen from the comfort of your armchair. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. No admin fees, the price you see is the price you pay. Full transparency. Any further information, or if you wish to get a full personalised video of any aspects you're not sure about, please give us a call. Phone number is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.